all the information.
Everything.
Welcome to CloudSpace. It's brought to you by iSpaces. It's out there. My name is Seth.
I'm Kyle.
And today we are talking about data storage. It's 10 o'clock. Do you know where your data is?
A lot of people get very concerned when thinking about moving to the cloud and wondering where their data is stored. And a lot of people have this notion that their data is just floating around somewhere in the cloud, and that's just not true. It's actually a very direct process. You save something to the cloud and it travels through the internet to a data center where your data is stored on remote servers. So, cut and dry, that's the process.
That's how it works. And in addition to that, to make sure that they keep it safe so that nothing happens, they'll use various locations. So if anything were to happen in that location, your data is safe. They use various hard drives so that if something happens to that particular hard drive, often they'll use backups. Any company that takes their data storage and security seriously will do that. Big companies like Apple, HP, and of course, iSpaces takes precautions like this as well. And that's important because that's one of the reasons that things are moving to the cloud. Because on your computer, you can lose it. It can break, it can get stolen, it can just randomly decide to die.
And iSpaces even takes it a step further. Your data information gets sent to our data centers in Silicon Valley, where your information is duplicated and then replicated, so there is no chance of anything being lost.
That's right. So, one of the features of the cloud is your data safe. When it's in the cloud and a reliable source, the answer is yes! It's super safe, and that's why people are using it. That's why it's going that way. So, thanks for hanging out with us. Next week, we are going to look at why you should store your data in the cloud. We've covered one of them, but there's lots more. Thanks.
See you next week.